Welcome everyone to this update of Market Mornings brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. And this update is for Wednesday, the 29th of March, 2023. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So as we get started here, keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. Folks, if you like what you see, make sure you follow along with all of the content that we put out there. Certainly subscribe here on YouTube to keep up with this training that we do every single market day. Go and look at some of the other social platforms, but most importantly, go down to the bottom left there and you see tradinglikeaboss.com. Go to that website, folks, with all of our free resources are there, all the free trainings we do. We have a live training tonight at 8 p.m. I'm going to show you what it takes to get free in 2023 using the market. We've got another live training on Friday at noon, so go check it out. All right, with that, it's time to jump in. So economic reports today, we've got pending home sales. It's orange. It's got some importance to it, but not the most important thing. Right, so we do have some others this week, just not today. From there, let's go look at futures. Everything is green, baby. The S&P is up 34 points. The Dow is up 237. Nasdaq's up 107. RUT's up 20. Bitcoin, woo! It's up over 28K again, baby. It's up 885. Ethereum's up 23.5, over 1,800. Gold is up 11 points. Crude is hiking back up again, $74 a barrel right now. All right. Let's bring that down. Let's go ahead and jump into our candidates today. I had more than I could actually fit on here today. Go figure. So right now, as of yesterday's close, we had closed down into a neutral bias. Right about that 39.80 level is what we're looking at as our upside target. Then 4,000, which we bumped our head onto multiple times. To the downside, 39.29. I can get excited that the market's going up today. What I can't get excited is we keep going up and pulling back down by the end of the day. So that's where I can't seem to get a lot of energy behind it going. So, all right. American Express, AXP is our very first candidate today. American Express is up 209. They are listed as a top pick by Bernstein. I don't really follow what Bernstein does, but they had a couple of top picks out there today. And they were all moving, so I figured I would write it down and tell you who it was that was making it happen. So right now we're sitting at 161.30, so all right, we need to bring this back in. So we are still below our 8 moving average. So yes, top pick, but no, not enough to drive it to the upside. So next is what our note is for Bernstein's American Express, right? HIG, they got an upgrade by Goldman Sachs. HIG is up $1.60 to 68.5. Let's see. So they're above the 0.618, which is the purple line. They're above our 8 moving average. We're going to look at a bull put spread below 67 for HIG. Hershey, woo, gotta love Hershey, right? They're up $1.57 to 254.5 with an upgrade from Wells Fargo. Already in bullish bias, man, doesn't matter, things are going bad. People want their chocolate, right? It doesn't matter that what's going on in the marketplace. So they had a nice move to the upside previous, and now we're up 254. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 253. We're going to list it as aggressive only because we're a little close to that level right now. If we get a little higher than that, I would do more contracts. But if we stay where we are, the answer is no. Right, Lululemon. So we'll get a bigger view on Lulu. Right, you can see they were up at 4 and change, about a year ago, April of last year. They were up at 400 and change. And right now, we are sitting on Lulu at up $53. Not only did they crush their earnings, 2 upgrades last night or today, this morning, as well on Lulu. So we're up to 373. So, man, this is an elevator, not an escalator, right? Ka-ching, ka-ching, floor 1, floor 2, floor 3, almost floor 4. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 361, which really means it's going to be below 360 because we don't have $1 increments here on Lulu. Meta was another upgrade from Bernstein to a top pick. They're up on that news this morning about $2. It puts them at 202 3/4. So we got above the 200 level, or stayed above the 200 level. We're going to use that 200 as our target. We're going to do a bull put spread below 200 for me, or an option. right? Would be the other one. We did one the other day on Monday. I forgot who it was that we had come out with. Just way too many trades already since then. Did a naked put on it. It was NVIDIA. Did a naked put on it on NVIDIA. Locked in some decent profits and rock on like Donkey Kong from there, right? So Meta is one of the stocks that I follow. It is not a company that if you don't know them and understand who they are and you're trying to trade off of the news, stick with the spread. It gives you a better chance of being right. And if you're not sure how to trade the spreads, folks, go over to the tradinglikeaboss.com, okay? And go ahead and how to trade news candidates. Go register for that free training, and you'll know exactly what we do to trade these candidates with the credit spreads that we're talking about. All right, so next is MPC. They got an upgrade from Goldman. Goldman was a busy baby today. So let's see. They are already in a bullish bias. They had bumped their head on ugly at 132.82. They're at 134.5 right now. Nice. So bull put spread below 133. Yeah, below 133. And then last is Micron. Man, they smacked it yesterday. Good earnings. Good numbers. They had some off numbers as in the overall, but the market liked what they saw. I liked the pullback we had yesterday, right down to that support level of that 8 moving average and the bounce. We're now at 60.5, so we're about halfway through. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 59. All right, there you have it, everyone. You have a great rest of your day, and I will see all of you at our next update. Take care. See you soon. Bye for now.